Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp now has an option where you can easily create your own channel. If you're wondering how to do it, let me show you the simplest process. First, open WhatsApp. Now, swipe up and scroll a little. There, you'll see many existing WhatsApp channels. If you want to create your own channel, just tap on the plus icon. You'll see two options, Create Channel and Find Channels. Tap on Create Channel. Next, you'll see some guidelines, just click Continue. After that, enter your channel name, for example, Times Gone, and then tap on Create Channel. That's it, your WhatsApp channel has been successfully created. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.